Hello, I'm gonna show you a simple example that how we can interactively control the Baxter's left hand using this 3D mouse input. So here, using MATLAB, we are displaying the current configuration of Baxter robot, uh, and the communication is through ROS. And you can see that by using this 3D mouse, when you teleoperate the robot, the configuration shown in MATLAB also changes as the robot moves. So it's not exactly real time, but it's approximately real time state feedback. Okay, so now you can see you can move the grippers around the object, and then you can place it in the at the desired location. You can close the gripper, lift up the object, and then you can place the object in the desired location. Once it's at the desired location, you can use the button on the 3D mouse to open the gripper. So to place the object, and then you're done. So this is a simplest example to show how we can easily, intuitively teleoperate the Baxter robot using the 3D mouse input. Thank you.